is Chaitanya from Love and Peace, and I thank you and appreciate your time with me here, and I will make sure it's going to be productive. And before that, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out my videos when it is hot, fresh and new. Well, today's topic is the secret of motivation, and I'm going to give you the secret of motivation is... No, not that fast. Let me take you through my speech today. So, many of us, before that I just want to ask you, do you think, I think, and how do you think or how you think? Just think over it and the answer is all yours. So, we generalize people into successful people and unsuccessful people, and the largest gap between the successful people and the unsuccessful people is the thinking gap. Yes, successful people do think differently than the unsuccessful people. So before that, why thinking does to a right living and what stupid thinking does to a wrong living. If you want to live a fulfilled life, you need to know or you need to fill your mind correctly. For that, right now you need to focus on what is today. Yes, so many of us don't get it or don't understand is that what truly matters is today. Instead, what we do, we overestimate what we can do tomorrow and we over exaggerate what happened or what we did yesterday. But we always underestimate what we could do now or today. The only time you have or the only time I have is now. So for all of us, I'm going to ask, what am I or what are you doing with now? If we see the great people, great leaders, they are always present in the moment, and because of that they maximize the moment. And yes, we are tempted to take that faraway glance like for tomorrow or for the future, but I would suggest you, okay, just glance but get back to the present moment, because what you are preparing today is what gonna make tomorrow a success. Well, yes, we all want to be motivated, but what we fail to understand is the secret of motivation. Well, let me give it to you quickly. The secret of motivation is just do it. Yes, just do it. Because motivation is not the cause of the action, it is the byproduct of the action. And yes, there's a lot of difference. If I believe that motivation is the base of my actions, then I'm going to wait to do something only if I am motivated. But if I realize that motivation is a byproduct of my action, then I'm going to start doing something. And guess what? Motivation will come up and zap you, and all of a sudden you're going to feel good, you're doing something, you're glad about it, and of course you will say, wow, this is so wonderful. So let it be the byproduct of your actions and not the foundation for the life or for the actions that you want to take. Trust me, nothing comes to you until you are committed. You commit to yourself. Nothing comes to you if you're not committed, if you're just thinking about it. It's not until you take the action. It's not until you know or take the direction for the things that matter to you, for the things that wants to flow into you. Well, all I'm saying is that please don't cheat yourself out of the possibility of the potential that's on the other side of the commitment. Stay with it as long as you know or you find out the fruit of it. You know, you can do the goal setting with a pen or pencil, but you have to go and do the goal getting with your legs. For example, if you want to run 5 kilometers for 15 days, that's a goal, but you have to do it. Even so many things you might face for you to stop it or for you to pause it or for you to just drag it, but just do it. That is what commitment is all about, and only then you will find that at least whatever results it can yield you at the end of your 15 days. It's the action that separates us. The greatest gap in the world is also the gap between knowing and doing. Knowing is like goal setting. Doing, now that's goal achieving. Well, we have many wise people who are knowledgeable about habit, and they say it takes 30 days to make a habit a habit. And there can be good habits and there can be bad habits. But many of us start, or we can either be developing a habit that is going to help us in the future, or we are developing a habit that are bad and they are going to make us suffer or hurt us in the future. Well, people who grow, they develop a good habit, and the great value about a habit is that it's going to be automatic. You don't have to think about it, you don't have to remember it, as it is going to take a long time for a habit to make you automatic, and everything that you should do, you will do it automatically. There is an expression everything is worthwhile in uphill, and that's a fact. You would have never heard of any accidental achievements. You would have never heard of someone saying that they got to the top of the mountain, and when we ask them how did they got there, kind of look confused and say I have no idea. But they know how they got there. The reason they know how they got there is they had to walk all the way to the top of the mountain. Nobody lifted them, no escalators or no elevators. Trust me, it's only and all efforts to get you to the top of the mountain. Friends, I want you all to understand that inspiration does a lot better when it is coupled with perspiration. There are so many people, a whole lot of people who think and who want to be motivated to do the great things, but they don't want to do the hard work to achieve those inspired great things. Trust me, inspiration plus perspiration is what required. And I really trust today. We have our today. Let's roll up our sleeves and look at that something we haven't tackled for a while. Let's dive in. You will be amazed that once you finish that work, you will get inspired. Please don't wait for the inspiration, or don't expect the inspiration before you get started. Just like how I just uploaded my first vlog, and then the motivations are really so good, and I'm very glad. Thank you so much. And one more thing I want to add, all the motivational speakers, all the motivational stories that are available in the world is just to make us think, but you have to do it. You are the one who can take the action. So the secret of motivation, just do it. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please share and comment below, and you have a cheerful weekend ahead. Bye.